Thank you din sa suppliers namin. Ang galing nyo. Saka...
Thank you everyone for coming. Their families for Desi and Kalalag, for the love, help, and support that you've given us. To our relatives, to my titas from Singapore and Australia, flew in just to attend our wedding. Thank you so much. To our ninongs and ninangs, for being part of our special day. Thank you so much. To our friends, my friends from grade school to college, thank you so much. Special to those who organized my bridal shower last time. It was fun. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. To my Acer, Sony, and IBM friends, thank you so much for the time, for finding time to be here. And of course, to our suppliers, thank you very much. Super thank you. May salute for the entourage gowns and for my gown. To the men behind the celebrities' beautiful videos and photos, Jerome Consolacion and June Garcia, of course for the group, Hizons for the food and the setup, 1558, Aljo, Bel Flores for the cupcake, Soundstream Band, thank you so much for singing our favorite songs, Shutterworks for unlimited photo booth, thank you Kuya Mark and Ninong Save. Clear Up, of course, for the cocktail drinks, Dragon Fireworks, our MC, Dorcas, and of course, our Wonder Woman coordinator, Hazel. Thank you very much for giving us a stress-free day today. And of course, last but not the least, thank you so much to God, because thank you because He granted us our prayer to give us a good weather today. Super thank you. Again, everyone, thank you so much. And I hope you stay pa because we'll be serving drinks. Thank you so much again and have a nice day.